Ever wondered why you suddenly go hic out of nowhere? Let's break it down. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly spasms. This makes your vocal cords snap shut, causing that funny hic sound. It can be triggered by eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, laughing hard, or even stress. Want to stop them? Try holding your breath, drinking water slowly, or even scaring yourself. Yep, seriously. Most hiccups go away on their own. But if they last over 48 hours, go see a doctor. Subscribe!